NDA has won the election but appears to have lost its sheen. The BJP doesn't have simple majority on its own and is dependent on allies. The INDIA doesn't have the numbers but is shining brighter than ever. The results of the 2024 Lok Sabha election have been a complete curveball. Narendra Modi's NDA fell way short of their target of 400 par, but they have the numbers to form the government for the third straight time. The BJP stunned Naveen Patnaik's BJD in Odisha, and Chandrababu Naidu's TDP propelled the NDA to sweep Andhra Pradesh. The NDA also kept its grip on Bihar, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. But that's where the rosy picture stops for the BJP and the NDA. Uttar Pradesh was perhaps the biggest shock to the system for the BJP. The INDIA bloc, particularly Akhilesh Yadav Samajwadi Party, caused a big upset for the BJP in the biggest state. The saffron wall has fallen in states like Karnataka, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Haryana. But at the same time, the BJP has made gains in states like Telangana and opened its account in Kerala. On the other hand, it is the INDIA's moment to shine. The opposition bloc has defied all expectations and stunned the BJP in multiple states. The biggest surprise came from the biggest state, Uttar Pradesh. The Samajwadi Party Congress combine upset the BJP's arithmetic in this crucial Hindi heartland state. Mamata Banerjee's gamble of not tying up with the Congress in order to stop the BJP's rise in Bengal appears to have paid off. The INDIA also made a stunning comeback in Maharashtra despite a splintered NCP and Shiv Sena. The DMK Congress combined swept the state of Tamil Nadu despite an aggressive campaign by the BJP. The Congress itself had its biggest tally since the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, gaining ground in states like Kerala, Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. A lot now depends on two people, Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar. Both regional players have done the heavy lifting for the BJP in Andhra Pradesh and Bihar respectively. Will they demand their pound of flesh in return? Or will they break ranks with the NDA and switch to the INDIA bloc? It's safe to say, picture abhi baki hai.